This is a capture race challenge for white. White only has one stone here, it has 2 liberties left, and the only thing to try is crawling here. And black will of course play this bend. And now white only has 2 liberties left. That means white must play the Atari whenever it can. So the first Atari should be here, black connects, and the second Atari should be this one. And black can either stand down here or capture number 3. Of course, this will make a difference, as we'll see. Now what? Now it's harder for black to come in on the corner, so white can actually play this move. And now black cannot come in this way. And the only thing black can try is to throw in here, and black can throw in here, starting this ko. And this is the correct sequence. It is a ko that white captures first. So if white wins the ko, white will be able to capture these 3 black stones. And if black captures black and white loses the ko, black will capture white like this. And neither side has a local ko threat in this pattern, so it is a pretty standard ko. As I said before, black's number 6 will make a difference because if number 6 is here, now white can still play this bend. What happens now is that black can no longer play here at the 1-1 point because white can capture. So black will not be able to play this ko. This number 6 is right here, and white will be able to capture black without a ko. So locally speaking, it is better for black to capture number 3 here as number 6, and white will play this bend, and black can start this ko this way. All of this is due to the corner, because after 3 and 5, it is much harder for black to play an Atari here on the corner, and that's why black can only settle on ko to kill white this way. Overall, this is a pretty neat pattern. Also, it is a good reminder that when you have only one stone cut off from the rest of your group, it might still have hope. So make sure you calculate all the variations from your games and just do not give up too easily. I think that's one of the main key takeaways from this problem. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.